Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about some of the programs by using the both def and lambda function. The last video we saw about the lambda function and we have discussed something about some details about the lambda function. Okay, this video we are going to see about the programs by using the def and lambda function. Okay, simply we are writing the Python function in the by using the def function. That Python function how we will modified in the modified in the lambda function. That means we are going to write the same program by using def function and also by using the lambda function also. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. First I am going to check the maximum number of the maximum number of the maximum of two numbers. Okay, maximum of two numbers. Find the maximum number. Okay, maximum two numbers. Find the maximum number. Okay, first I am going to find out the maximum number by using the def function. Okay, so def keyword, I want to display the large number. Okay, find the largest one. Display of a comma b. Okay, so formal arguments. Then I want to check which one is largest. Okay, largest number. Okay, if a is greater than b, then I want to display element number a. Okay, else if a is not greater than b, I want to display the number b. Okay, then I want to call the function display of, I am going to assign the some values 52, 45. Okay, else I am going to run this program. 52 is the largest one, so it gives the output as 52. Okay, now I am going to write the same program by using the lambda function. Okay, first write the program. We are going to take the keyword lambda, then formal arguments. What are the arguments we have used? A comma b. Okay, colon, then I want to display a if a is greater than b. Otherwise, if a is not greater than b, I want to display b. So that's a condition I should display. I want to write the if and else condition. First of all, I want to print the a when if a is greater than b. Okay, then if a is not greater than b, I want to display the value of the b. Okay, so else b. Okay, first I have taken this keyword lambda and the variables a comma b, and I am going to check the condition. If a is greater than b, then the value a will be displayed, else if the b value is greater than a, so the b value will be displayed. So finally I am going to store this condition into a variable, that's x. Okay, then I want to pass the arguments, the same one, 52 comma 45. Then I am going to print this x. See, we got the same output by using the both functions. Okay, the deffunction also gave the same result as 52, and this lambda function also gave the same result as 52. Okay, then next one, I want to find out the square of the given number. Find the square of the given number. Okay, suppose we are given that the number as 3, the square of the 3 is 3 into 3 equal to 9. Okay, so that double time, twice that number will be multiplied. So that's the square, that's the meaning of the square of given number. First of all, I am going to write the same program in by using def function. For that, def keyword, then the function name is square. Okay, then variable is a. Then what are the operation I should perform? I want to multiply this a as twice. Okay, then print the value x. Function call square of, I want to assign this 6. Okay, see, 6 into 6 equal to 36. So we got output. Then next I am going to write the same program by using lambda function. For that, keyword lambda, then this is a variable arguments, formal arguments, then expression. Expression means what are the operation you are going to perform. I want to perform the same number twice. So a multiply a. Okay, finally I am going to assign this function into one variable, it's called x. Next, print of x of 6. Okay, save the program and run the model. See, we got the output, required output. This one for previous output and this one for current program's output. The lambda function having some other fields, filter, map, reduce, that we will see in this next video. I hope this is very helpful for you and you can understand this lambda function and def function also. If you like this video, just hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.